How to transfer money from your Wise account to your Pakistani bank account. Hey guys, in this video I will be sharing with you a step-by-step guide of how you can transfer your money from your Wise account to your Pakistani bank account. It could be any bank account like Mizan, MCB, or any other. All you need is just to put the details. So now you have two options: either the money in your Wise account is in Pakistani rupees or is it in US dollars. So let's say you have the money in your US dollars. So all you need is just to click over here on your USD balance. And once you do this, it will ask you either you want to add more funds, or if you want to convert this, or you can send it, or there are some other options over here. But as we need to send it to our Pakistani bank account, we need to click over here. So just click on this, and over here, if you already have added your Pakistani bank account, then you can select from here. But as we need to add a bank account right now, so we will just click on add at the top. Just click over here, and here we have three options: either I want to send it to myself, or I want to send someone else bank account. But as I'm sending it to myself, I will just click on myself. And from here you first need to choose the currency. So just click over here and select PKR from here, and just wait a few seconds. And here you need to add the full name of the account holder over here, and you need to enter the IBN number. So you can find the IBN number from your bank account app. You can easily find it from there, and all you need is just to paste your bank account IBN over here. And it will once you click on the confirm option over here, it will send a 4-digit code on your Wise registered mobile number. And once you confirm that, it will be added. And and after that, every time when you want to transfer your money to your Pakistani bank account, all you need is just to click USD over here, and then click over send, and you will be having these options over here. So just click on that number and just wait, and from here you can select how many dollars you want to send to your Pakistani bank account, and it will show the exchange rate over here. And once you can click on continue, it will again send the 4-digit code to your mobile number. And once you confirm that, it will send the money within 5 to 10 seconds. So that's it. I hope you like this video.